Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, which is the Maths, where education meets excellence. And today I'm going to teach you about nucleotide excision repair system. Okay, so let me recap. There are some genes which repair your DNA on daily basis, and they work like 24/7, non-stop. And one of these genes is nucleotide excision repair genes. Okay. So, what do these genes do normally? That this, I'm going to draw an arm here. Okay. Okay. So this is an arm of a person who is quite muscular. Okay. And these are some light rays which fall on his skin, and these are UV light, and this causes pyridine dimers to form. Okay. Pyrimidine dimers to form. So these UV light actually causes pyrimidine to pyrimidine junctions. Okay, cross linkings. That is the exact word. So it causes your pyrimidines to cross link with each other and results in the formation of pyrimidine dimers. And these dimers are corrected on daily basis by your nucleotide excision repair system. So what does it do? Let me draw your DNA here. Okay, so this is your DNA. Okay, and a UV light falls on it here, and there is formation of this dimer here. This dimer is recognized by an enzyme which is called as UV light specific endonuclease. So this enzyme recognizes this pyrimidine dimer which was formed due to UV light, and it causes a production of two nicks. Okay, so let me magnify it here. How does it do that? So it travels a little here and produces one nick, nick number one, and then it travels a little here as well and then produces nick number two. So there is two nicks. After the production of these nicks, these cuts, what it's going to do, it's going to call off your polymerase, okay, polymerase enzyme, and this enzyme is going to construct your DNA here, okay, newly, and then it's also going to proofread it, and after that, when this whole part is reconstructed and repaired, another enzyme will come, okay, and proofread again. So I will call it proofreading enzyme. Okay, proof reader. Then there comes the last enzyme after the authentication from here, and it's going to join these two ends, and as it joins, you can guess this is a ligase. Okay, and now your DNA is good to go, no cancer. But in people with nucleotide excision repair mutation or cancer, this endonuclease is defective. Okay, so now when sunlight falls on their skin, the pyrimidine dimer is not repaired and it accumulates. For example, this is your DNA sequence, and there are so many light rays which are falling on it. Now your endonuclease cannot recognize these pyrimidine dimers. Okay, and all of this part of DNA, when it gets translated, it's going to cause formation of abnormal proteins. And these proteins will give rise to bumps on your skin. Okay, and this is called as xeroderma pigmentosum. So people in this disease are highly sensitive to sunlight. Okay, and there is a movie related to it. Its name was, let me remember, I wrote it here, Midnight Sun, I think. Okay, so its name is Midnight Sun, and this movie is by Bellathon. Midnight Sin, and this is by Bellathon. And if you watch that movie, there is history of that, history of xeroderma pigmentosum. Okay, so that is it actually about nucleotide excision repair. There is also formation of other dimers, and that is thymine dimers. So I hope you like this video, and I made understanding nucleotide excision repair easier for you guys. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and a share. Subscribe to our channel kindly. It will go a long way with us, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.